All right guys, so this is my 2007 Ultra 250X. This is my newest project. I hope to get it running by the end of summer, at least get some time in it this year. I just want to say that I parked this thing in 2012 with what I thought was a drop valve. Ended up being a drop seat. I took the engine apart, and shortly after doing that I bought a motorcycle, and that's what I've been doing since 2012. But I decided I was going to rebuild it this year. It actually is cleaned up nice for something that's set underneath a shed and cover to the weather and elements. I mean, you can see kind of the spots there from where it rubbed. Hull's in great shape. I've been cleaning it out, just getting it ready. You see 1-to-1 regulator, rising rate regulator, I mean. Here's the inside. I've been cleaning out the inside of it, getting it ready. Cut water box, Riva high flow. I did a lot of things back in the early days to get better airflow through the hull. I have an exhaust fan there. Things I probably would not have done today had I bought it, but at that time all I cared about was going fast. The ski did do 74. I have a video on YouTube of an old, I can't reclaim it, back when I did 74 in this ski with stock engine. But yeah, this is more stuff I did just for mods. I think I would never do this today. This is open, so you can see receipt, rear cover, more stuff I did. Container, like I said, I would never do this today. This is my intercooler. I'm getting ready to rebuild. I do need a new core for it. I'm going to order one. Found somebody online who does it. Currently, these are my valves. I have them soaking in gas with the buckets. Here is my engine apart. Already pulled the piston. Right, currently I have 9.5 JEs in it, JE pistons. This is the cylinder that dropped the valve, or actually it was a seat that dropped. I'm gonna have another video to show that. These are my new cylinders that I'm gonna clean. My old cylinders were trash. 2 new heads. Well, 2 heads. My original with the ported 260 I originally brought to replace it, but at that time when I bought it there was no 300 head. They are prone to cracking, so that needed guides and some seat work, so I decided just to get a 300 head. I have 300 head in the box. There's my new piston, rings, some of my valve train components in there. I don't really want to make this video a whole lot longer, but yeah, this is my new project. I'm going to be doing videos as I put it back together. I do have a new jet pump down there. On here, back to the ski, I am gonna have to pull the pump. I'm gonna put a Walbro in it. I think I put a GSS 342 in it back in when I built this, but that's probably I'm gonna go back with. I may have put a 340 in, I don't know. I'm pretty sure I wanted the high pressure pump though. Pump, I'm gonna pull the pump. I think I had wet bearings in the pump. I already had the 3 bearing system back when Keith Salas first came up with it and everyone was doing it, and I even have a spare shaft with a spare pump, spare prop. It's pretty much, I was really into these things, and bought a motorcycle and a blown up ski and kind of like haven't looked at it since. There's the old website I used to have. Those were the days, good times. But yeah, bought it new in 2007. But yeah, I'm going to cover rebuilding it.